Hey, all right, so today's video is going to be some homework, and we are going to tighten up some neutrals in our breaker box. Have you checked your neutrals? You'd be amazed. I found two neutrals that were doubled up in one slot, which isn't the end of the world, but there's plenty of open places to put those neutrals. Why double them up? It's because people are lazy when they build the RV, or somebody when they're tinkered with it. We're going to fix that. Sorry about the LED lighting, flashing, the frequency of that stupid cheap work light. I mean, it's a great light, but not for video, obviously. So I apologize for the flashy lights. Just pretend you're in a disco. If you don't mind, subscribe down below. I appreciate it. I don't know, let's tighten up some neutrals, and then tomorrow is our last day. I'm not even taking tools to class. We go in, we're gonna talk about some stuff in the morning, and then there's a little test in the afternoon. And he said we'll probably be done around 3:30 maybe. I will also wrap up my thoughts for the entire week tomorrow, all right? Or at least this weekend sometime before I start advanced classes next week, which I'm really looking forward to. So until tomorrow, let's go tighten up some neutrals, and I'll see you tomorrow. And there we go. And what we are going to do all right. Just do this. It's even easy. All right. Turn this on. There's nothing going on. The other thing we can do is we could use our voltmeter, but I'm pretty happy with this. And then I'm going to get my, gonna get comfortable is what I'm gonna do. See these? That's lazy. They got 2 in 1, and there's no need for that crap. You got all these extra ones. This is all neutral right here. Those are our grounds back there. The copper is ground. These are neutral. And there's no reason for any of these neutrals to be doubled up. There's only a couple of them, but there's no discoloring. Everything, so we're gonna make sure these are all tightened up really well. Just make sure all this stuff is tight. Oh, that's not tight. Jeez, man. All right. Then I'm gonna loosen up this one and this one. Just put this behind this. Look at that, that came, oh, it's because that's the one that's already loose, that's why. Now every one is on its own terminal. We're good. Neutral's done. Nothing like a loose piece of wire just sitting in there. That's always good. All right, everything's tightened up. Another piece of homework done. And I think that's gonna be about it for today. I will do more homework tomorrow.